JAS-39 Gripen Story. The Gripen was developed to replace aging Draken and Viggen aircraft. The Swedes wanted a new jet that could hit Mach 2, take off from short runways, and that would be smaller than the Viggen while carrying a higher payload. Foreign aircraft were considered as replacements, including the F-16, the F/A-18, the F-20, and the Mirage 2000, before Saab was chosen to create a brand new airframe. For Sweden, creating an advanced fighter jet was a significant and polarizing endeavor. The program was under the microscope, so to speak. 2 crashes during the flight testing phase exacerbated the attention and criticism. In the first incident, in 1989, test pilot Lars Radestrom crashed while landing, as the result of an error with the fly-by-wire flight control system, FCS, pitch control, which caused pilot-induced oscillation. Here's a video of the crash. In the second incident, in 1993, Radestom, back for more, lost control of the Gripen during a roll at low altitude. The Gripen stalled and Radestrom ejected, surviving. And here's a video of that crash. The crash was credited to high amplification of the pilot's stick command inputs. Corrections took months. Eventually, Saab got the Gripen on track. The jet has been in service since 1996. JAS-39 Gripen, what it can do. Designed as a multi-role fighter, the Gripen's JAS designation refers to jacked, air-to-air, attack, air-to-surface, and spanning, recon. The Gripen is light, with 1 seat and 1 engine, and maneuverable. The jet was designed with canards and delta wings to achieve relaxed stability. An aircraft with relaxed stability cannot be trimmed to maintain a certain attitude. Instead, if the plane pitches or rolls, it will continue to pitch or roll in that direction at an increasing rate until the pilot intervenes. The result is a maneuverable, albeit unstable, aircraft. As Europe has been relatively stable since the Gripen's introduction, and because Sweden exercises a restrained foreign policy, the Gripen has not seen much action with Sweden nor with foreign customers like Hungary, Brazil, or South Africa. But the Gripen did perform admirably at the 2006 Red Flag exercise in Alaska. Head-to-head with F-16s, Eurofighter Typhoons, and F-15s, the Gripen held its own, scoring several kills with only 1 loss. Now, with Sweden set to join NATO, the Gripen will inevitably be compared to its Russian counterparts. While the Gripen is quite capable, open conflict between a NATO-aligned Sweden and Russia still seems unlikely. Comparisons between the Gripen and Russian aircraft will hopefully remain a strictly theoretical exercise.